Listen and repeat.
Conversation. Conversation 1.
Conversation at the grocery store. Excuse me.
Yes, how can I help you?
I would like some potatoes, please.
How much do you want?
I want 2 kilos.
Do you need anything else?
Yes, 2 kilos of apples and a carton of milk.
Is that it all?
No, I also need 3 cans of Coca-Cola.
Here you are.
Do you have any lettuce?
I'm afraid not, but you can find it in the supermarket.
Thank you.
Conversation 2.
Conversation going to the store. Adam, where are you going?
I'm going to the store.
Really? I need to go to the store too.
Would you like to come with me?
Yeah, let's go together.
Would you like to go now or later?
Now.
What?
Now would be better.
Okay, let's go.
Should we walk?
No, it's too far. Let's drive.
Conversation 3. Conversation to buy the dress. How about we get Mom a nice dress?
Good idea. Where is the dresses section?
I think it's over there, next to the shirts.
What do you think about this one?
No, Mom doesn't like this color.
What about this one?
This one is perfect. What size is it?
It's small.
Mom wears a medium.
I know. Let's look for a medium size.
Here it is.
How much does it cost?
It's £40.50.
It's really expensive. Can we afford it?
Yes. We have £50.
Great. We can buy her some flowers, too. She's going to love it.
Conversation 4.
Conversation in the clothing store. Can I help you?
Yes, I am looking for a sweater, medium size.
Let's see. Here's a nice red one. What do you think?
It's nice, but I'd rather have a white one.
Okay. Here's a white one.
Where is the changing room?
It's over there.
How much is it?
It's £50.
Good. I'll take it.